Let's invite your client to the client portal. We have a few ways on how to do that, and the first one is by clicking on Portal Editor. Inside it, you have a special button, which is Invite. You just add here your client's email and send a magic link. If you have already invited your client to one of the workspaces and portals you have, you can click on From Organization, find the right client, and grant them the access. Don't forget to save changes. Another way is by clicking here, Invite Clients and Teammates. Inside it, we will need to choose the right role and the right workspace to go to. So the role will be a client. Then we just choose the email and the workspace where our portal lays. Once you click to invite and earn, your client will receive a magic link to access the portal with it.